just happened?
Subscribe and like.
Nou, leuk, kom maar.
This video is not sponsored by Google.
Hi guys, thank you all so much for tuning in again. I truly appreciate you watching and liking these videos, and it fills me with joy responding to your comments. I'm also happy to inform you our scooter tuning merchandise is available right now and is ready to be shipped to you. I'll post a link down below so you can at least have a look. This starts to feel like a sequel of a sequel. Today we're fine-tuning the carburetor of the RS50 again. About to crash into a silly old bat who didn't mind us while leaving her driveway, and will completely destroy the steering of the RS50. For those not up to date with the RS50 project, it's my very first shifter bike at my mid-30s, where we haven't really extended our search for a bigger cylinder yet. We thought it might be better for me to gain some experience and confidence mainly on my first shifter bike before giving it 20 extra horses all at once. Sadly enough, it only took me a bit of man force to break the bolt of the left steering handle.
A few moments later.
No way, man. What just happened? Ja, beetje rust. Dus ik zeggen, geen ritje met de RS.
Fucking hoe lang is die vaas, ja? Zie hoe diep ik al zit. Zie, ik moet er echt elk moment gaan zijn. Hè?
Dat goed gedaan.
Nee, te lang.
Nee.
Echt niet?
Nee.
En er is het al tapping of wat?
Ja, dat is dezelfde dingen. Ik heb die tap niet kapot gedaan, dat is Amerika voorzichtig geweest.
Hij is gewoon in die vijs zitten en wat doet dat dan eigenlijk? Want die
Ik heb die zo dun gemaakt dat die geen weerstand meer heeft.
Jo, dus je draait die eigenlijk gewoon uit.
Ja, en ik draai die er zo uit.
Niet lachen, hè?
So yeah, I know there's so much more work to be done, but that's something for next video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Hit the notification button to stay up to date. And hope to see you soon. Thank you.